So how to like make this automatic, how to like prepare some predefined list here, how to like do that. So let's see. So from this data column tab, submission table, let's go to rubrics q1. This is text. Let me choose it to enum list, and let me click this edit option. Here you'll see everything here. You can edit this show option, okay, but I just want to add a base type, reference base type, and reference table is a rubrics table. Now if you don't add your tables to this app from this table option, then that table won't be here, okay. So item separator by default is comma, so let me just use comma. So data validity, this is important. So you don't want every column to be displayed, you just want a specific column, say here this column. So data validity option will be rubrics worksheet or rubrics tab, then this specific column. So as you can see, if you go to the column option, you have options here. So all these options are from one like submission sheet, the main sheet, but this is also valid. So save it, done, save it. Then this is showing error. Why? Okay, let's see what is happening. So let me refresh the app. Every time an update is like pushed to the app, you need to reload it. Now I see a plus button and I see some options, so now it's more convenient, okay. So if I choose did not answer, partially correct, like these two options, click done, click save, you will see here I will have something popping up. Yeah, so app takes a few seconds, so these options weren't there, like just after a few seconds it's there, and marks is it's automatically calculated using this formula. Okay, that's nice. Okay. I also want some this to be enum listed, private rubrics. So allow other values, base type should be ref, and r2 private, you want validity to be, let's see, r2 private DESC. That's my command here, column, save, that's it. And for graders comment, this is long text but I want it to be enum list option, allow other values, base type to be say ref, and this should be rubrics tab, and data validity should be this column, comments q1. Let me copy it from here, here. Okay, okay, so let's see that. If you click ungraded, you see it's empty because you just graded it, okay. If I go to grading, then you see everything here. If I click it, I still have edit option, and okay, so this is still not a enum listed option. So let me refresh it, let's see. Yeah, now it's updated. So here I see private rubrics. So if I click it, I'll see these updated options are here. So say handwriting, it could be better options. Let me save it, and on the apps it should be updated. Yeah, handwriting could be better. Now if you want to make some special comments, that is not present in these options, then probably you can type it. So think critically, for example, save it. It will be here, special comments. Just a minute. Think critically. Yeah. So but these options aren't being populated, graded by date and time. So how can we automate this so that it will record who edited this row the last time? Okay. So from the app, the submission column, submission table, here you have graded by. Click it and user email, and here it will be date, so it's say today. Save. Time, save now. Save. Let me save. Go to the app and let me just change everything, deselect everything. That way if I deselect everything, I should see it in the ungraded tab. So as you can see here, this one is being processing. If you see some numbers here, that means some rows are being processing. Then if you click it, then those should be updated in few seconds. Okay. Option, rubrics, save, done, save. Here I should see these 3 columns also being populated automatically in a few seconds, I guess. Yeah. So exact time is here. Okay. So in this way you can automatically make a grading app based on some rubrics. You just need to be careful about a few things. One of them is that there can't be any space here. If you do it like this, one extra space, that can break your app. I mean, it will not break your app, it will that rubric can be graded properly, because the command written here filters every spaces after every string, every the comma separates the rubrics and the space is filtered. So you can't put any extra space here. These aren't filtered, and never. Only these things are filtered, so there will be some mismatch and marks won't be calculated properly. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Probably I'll add new videos where I'll show you some new features. For example, the behavior option, automation, or in the columns you have many options here. Okay. So thank you for watching this video.